So the Nigeria exchange closed on a positive note amid sell-offs and buy interest as the benchmark all-share index appreciated by 91 basis points. The Nigeria exchange all-share index closed at 46,624.67 points to reflect a growth of 0.91% from the previous trading day and a year-to-date return of 9.41%. Meanwhile, the market capitalization increased by 226.12 billion naira. At the close of market on Monday, 31st January 2022, the stock exchange market value stood at 25.12 trillion naira from 24.9 trillion naira in the previous trading day. The market breadth closed positive as CHIP PLC led 33 gainers and 23 losers, topped by UPL at the end of the day session. The stock market has advanced 3,908.23 basis points since the start of the year. Now let's take a look at the top gainers and the top decliners. The Nigeria Exchange top 5 gainers, CHIP PLC, gained 10% to close at 66 kobo, while the NTR gained 10% to close at 3 naira 30 kobo. RTB Risco gained 10% to close at 22 kobo, while Presco gained 9.97% to close at 96 naira 55 kobo. The Nigeria Exchange Group gained 9.93% to close at 23 naira 25 kobo. And now to the top 5 decliners. We have the UPL losing 9.43% to close at 2 naira 40 kobo, while Lasako lost 8.85% to close at 1 naira 3 kobo. Link Assurance gained 7.84% to close at 47 kobo, while the Mutual Benefit lost 7.14% to close at 26 kobo. Prestige lost 6.52% to close at 43 kobo. And now to look at the top 5 trades by volume, we see Fidelity trading 38.03 units, while the RTB Risco traded 30.03 units. 30.03 million units rather. Transcorp traded 27.44 million units. First Bank of Nigeria Holdings traded 26.7 million units, while Link Assurance traded 23.02 million units. And now to the top 5 trades by value. We have the Nigeria Exchange Group trading 472.08 million naira. Zenith Bank trading 454.9 million naira. GTCO traded 312.9 million naira, while the First Bank of Nigeria Holdings traded 310.5 million naira. And Presco traded 203.05 million naira. To further analyze the market and what went down is Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer at Invest Data Limited, joining us now. Thank you so much for joining us, Ambrose.
Yeah, thanks for having me. How are you doing?
Now, before we look at what happened in the market yesterday, let's do a brief review of what the market was like in January.
Yeah, January was a bullish market with some volatility in between due to profit taking. But the reason that they did not close positively at the end of trading on Monday with 9.15%, better than the previous 3 years January. Means that January, historically has gone to a very bullish month in the last few years. For me, these are a way investors should also be thinking in their portfolio management, knowing that each month in Nigeria's market has no different peculiarity that comes with them. Now we know that January, after Christmas, whether there is bullish run in December or the very, very situation, January has proved that in the last 3 years, 4 years, that has been a positive month. That means investors in subsequent years should know how to plan when they're making their investment decision, especially in the last quarter of the year. Now that we have seen January closing positive, I feel like this vibration that we saw in January is going to flow into the month of February. The reason why it's going to do so is one, because the earnings reporting season has changed a little, and also the global happenings also influencing the market. Why the last CBN MPC meeting also has impact on the market. That means between now and the next next MPC meeting, we're seeing rate to be more stable. And if yield of these equities that are hedged are higher than what is prevailing in the physical market, we'd like to see more funds playing into the market in this month of February before the next MPC in March. On that note, most of the companies that had December year end that just released their unaudited accounts for the month of for the quarter ended December and for the year 2021 are giving investors an insight what is expected from these quoted companies. But most of them have done better than expected. And that note, they likely not pay out going or like to them to go their payout at the end of this financial year that just ended December 31st is high because we have seen the earnings of this company unaudited. That means between now and the audited account, the difference in the figure will be just little. But you as an investor, it's time for you to look at these figures and go and change this company in the last 5 years. What has been their payout history? If you see that you know the payout of this company, it will guide you to know if this company will grow their dividend for 2021 or not. For investors that are to us, this is what they should have to know how to position for dividend because as from this month of February, I was just crossing by God's grace, we expect companies to start releasing their results with corporate action. What we saw in the month of July was earnings without corporate action, except from MTN that declared 8 naira 57 kobo. But now we're going to see more of companies in this February coming with corporate action. That will be what will attract more investors to the market because it's a time for reward. When you are rewarding investors, most others that is on the fence, when they see this payout, they would like to jump into the market. That will also add more momentum to the market and that will bring more liquidity to the market.
Sounds like good news. Well, let's look at what happened in the market yesterday where we saw investors gaining 226.12 billion naira as the Nigerian Exchange All Share Index inched up by 0.91% to open the week positive. What more can you tell us about this?
Now, if you look at what happened in the market yesterday, you know that there was a little improvement in the volume of transactions in the deals, and also this as a result of investors reacting to the impressive numbers that were just released to the market. And these are numbers that without no reward. If markets are reacting to these numbers and this rate, they will think how it's going to react when it's coming with dividend. What we saw yesterday so that the result of Presco was positive and it beat the market expectation. You see that market is still reacting to that. But yesterday, they hit the market, and today, some of them, that means 10%, that means investor at a position. And some few local stocks that just bring up. Don't forget that yesterday, there was a demand for MTN because of the 8 naira 55 they pay. You see that dividend has a way of driving what prices up, especially when your earnings are good and you're paying dividends in addition to your performance. Now that people are looking forward to most of these companies to use their number, you see that market when it is there, oscillation either up or down. But for me, what we said today was a good close for the month of January. I would say that today February will start on a good note, but don't forget that in the last 5 years, February has not been a good market in Nigeria. So we expect that with this earnings season, might be see a little change in this February.
So apparently this February is looking good as against the previous ones we've been having.
Yeah.
All right, the market has, of course, seen improvement in bargain hunting in recent times as the NGX closed above 25 trillion naira on Tuesday. That's an all-time high, 46,000 basis points on Monday's trading session. Now, help us make sense of this. How strong is this trend?
For me, when you see the market crossing various resistance level, it's a sign that the bull is in charge. Now that we're seeing that the market has crossed even 45, 46, and touching as high as 46,905.6 trillion, almost touching 47, it's a sign that if the numbers we're seeing remain positive, breaking out 47 is easy because we have less than 100 points to break out 7, and that will be on the strength of earnings. And don't forget that if you want to see whether there's a rebound or there's a breakout, you must look at what is driving this breakout. If there is volume transaction, there's an increase in buying interest of people in the market, and also there is a positive outcome of monetary policy, which we saw in the previous week, and also earnings are positive. These are the factors that will drive the market between now and the next MPC meeting. For that, we'll see market breaking out the 47 index in the nearest future, because when we see more numbers coming at a positive, markets maintain this momentum of buying interest in dividend paying stock.
So how should investors position themselves for this positivity?
I've said it earlier. I said what they should do now. Investors were opportunity to see the unaudited account of these companies as at end of January, which was yesterday. You're able to lay a hand on this company. Yes, there's no dividend here, but the numbers I've released, I've given you an insight. What you want to do as an investor, go and look at the 5 years numbers of this company and look at what is their payout for the last 5 years. If you can get their payout for the last 5 years, find an average of their payout for 5 years, take it on that numbers we have seen to tell whether the company will grow their dividend or not. Don't forget that when a company grows dividend, it attracts more patronage for that. So, for example, when Fighter Phone put a 100% from 70 kobo the previous year to 1 naira 50 kobo this year, you saw how the price moved from 21 naira to almost 25 naira.